Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Betty.
And I'm Tyler. Yeah, so we are down here in Texas and we're visiting my brother right now in...
Where are we going today?
South Padre.
Woo! I don't know where is that.
Padre.
South Padre? Okay.
South.
Comment down below if you've been there.
Yeah.
So I'm super excited. Of course, I said yesterday that it's my first day in Texas, and you know I love the beach. So anytime there's a holiday, I gotta get somewhere in the beach and find it, and I'm here to find it. So we're super excited about that. So come with us. We'll take you guys with us the entire day. This is day 2, and
Let's do it.
let's get to the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let's get to the video. Whoa.
Closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
So, it's reaction time. Logan and Julia are gonna try these either impeccably awesome, somewhat healthy granola bars, because there's only 2 ingredients in this, 4 ingredients in this, no added sugar, so they're not gonna be that sweet, but we're gonna see if they're either gonna love them or hate them.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, which one do you guys want? Random?
Yeah, random.
You want one of each?
Yeah, actually, don't tell them which one is it. Yeah.
Surprise. No, this is Logan's. Good luck, bud.
Well, let me open it for you.
Yeah. Thank you. Drum roll. And if worse comes to worse, we got the grapes that they already love. They're complaining about these grapes. They don't like the grape. Not a fan. They linger.
Oh, God.
Oh, man, that looks
so appetizing.
nothing but healthy
You
right
said
there.
this is natural? This looks like the most unnatural thing I've ever seen.
2 ingredients, bud. 2 ingredients.
It's just smashed together
2 ingredients. Stuff.
So that's what it looks like. Wait, we get instruction. Are they delicious? Do you love them?
They're not bad.
Oh.
Okay.
I wouldn't say they're good.
Ah.
This one
They're
I
not
got
horrible.
the other one.
Alright.
That's not horrible.
Wow.
They're not bad.
Oh.
A little dry, but not bad.
Yeah. I'll be damned. Ready, baby? You try one.
Let's try.
You try.
That one we sugar.
There's no, well, okay, a little bit of, okay.
4%.
4%. It's really gonna make a difference.
Okay.
Fun little challenge. They're natural. I mean, they grow them in the woods here of Texas.
I've seen these growing on trees before.
Right out there. Look at that.
Cashew cookie trees.
That's
Cashew
actually not bad.
cookie trees. Not bad.
Yeah, they're
Aw.
fine.
Hell yeah. Good job, guys.
Yeah, good.
Good job, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, finish this. Tell me how you feel.
No, they're pretty good. Yeah.
I was expecting way worse. Actually,
No.
they're good.
They're just smashed together nuts and dates, really.
Mm-hmm.
Nuts and dates.
It's not a sponsor. We're just trying.
The thing
so.
about these I like is they're easy to eat. Some of those bars you get, it's like a hard Laffy Taffy or something. You're like, disgusting.
Or you bite and they break, and it's all over you. I hate those.
Alrighty,
Oh,
guys.
there it is.
Is that the ocean?
Oh, it looks different. I don't know. I think it's just the angle we're at.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's a big wall. Oh, crap. Anyway.
There's the ocean, guys.
There's the
All right,
square.
now we saw that. Let's
Square,
try back.
yeah. Time to go
All
back.
4 hours.
Time to go back. Swimming into the, ooh, it's, there we go. 20 minutes. Nice.
There you have it.
There you have it. Ooh, there's the ocean. There we go. There we go. That's something.
there.
We're going all the way over there, man.
Ma'am.
We're gonna fly there. It's a private island. Logan's getting us to.
Private jet.
The private Texas island. So, we're still eating the grapes that Logan hates, but me and Logan were looking up places to stay. And we, what did we find? We found like Billy Bob's Crab Shack bar and grill or something that we could stay at. It was like a motel.
We found Roach Central pretty much in every single hotel.
Oh God.
Yeah, we found like the bottom of the barrel, like 1-star hotels.
All the reviews had roaches in them. Every single
What?
review.
We're not staying in a roach infested.
Well, who knows?
Yeah.
I refuse.
And then
I'll sleep on the beach.
what else did we find? We found the Blue Lagoon. It had like a Indian sandcastle out front. It had like a elephant sandcastle. I don't even know what it was doing. But yeah, that was kind of, I don't know. It had really bad reviews. Anyway, I forget what it was called. We'll call it the Indian sandcastle. And then what else? Oh yeah, and then I found this one on Booking.com that was. I feel like we should get sponsored eventually, but we didn't actually use Booking.com. So I found it. It was for 2 people, and then I went on their actual website and saw it could be for 4 people. It is an adults only hotel.
What? There's no kids? Hell yeah.
What?
So how like?
Adults only.
Welcome to
Port Isabel. Oh shit. I'm here. Oh.
There
you go.
Oh, cool. Whatever that
Are we
is.
supposed to let them in? No, right?
Anyway.
We got the right away.
Yeah. So you guys ready? You guys ready for the adult
So
only?
that's where we're going?
Yeah.
So is it-
adult?
I mean.
I think clothing was optional.
All right.
Miami, come on.
All right.
This is Texas.
Tex ass.
Gonna see a bunch of that.
Everything's bigger, so be prepared.
Yeah. Hard drive. Too fun.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Typically, this will be closed. You'll just come, you'll put your key on here. It'll be very similar to the room. You'll see it. If there's ever any issues, let us know. Bartenders can help make new keys or anything like that.
How late
Okay?
is this place open?
Huh?
How late
The
is this
bar
place?
is open until 2. So
nice.
we serve breakfast from 9 until about noon. Then after that, it's noon till 1:30. So you can get food till 1:30 in the morning. Yeah. And then yeah,
Oh,
people just kind of come and like stay here. And then if you venture down to like Amberjack and stuff, that's kind of like the main drag. I tell everyone that's where the Ferris wheels, the golf carts, the go-karts, all the main bars are there, all the music's there. And then I'll give you a website to look at. You can go onto it and you can see every single band. You can click on it. It'll give you like a little video of them, date, time, everything. And she didn't, I'm going to tell you just to be careful if you go to Wana Wana. There just was a shark attack at 11.
Today?
Yes. So I'm just telling people.
Near the water.
There was
Whoa.
a shock attack. Did you guys hear that? You see that in Miami?
In Florida, yeah. So just to make people aware, just because we have a guest come in,
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite bars to go to, so I'm recommending it. I just want to make people aware. So it did just happen. It is on Facebook. It was on the news, so it's not like it's.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's okay. He survived. They're just like it was on his leg.
Oh, see, he's fine.
So
Fine, too.
It's all right.
There's
some dirt
You are
in it.
welcome to use any of this. Just ask that you bring it back. We do have a beach exit just
Yep, no problem.
down the street and to the right. Okay. So this area is for hotel guests only. You can bring your own alcohol in here if you want. Hot tub is open until 2. If you go outside the gate, you just per TABC you have to buy from our bar, drink our booze, and eat our food out there.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Out there. Good to know. Good to know. I was curious about that.
Bathroom over here. And then we do have a little ice chest and a restroom here. If you're down, here and you want to go, you don't have to run up to your room.
Nice.
Hang out here, smoke, hang out, chill out here. And then you don't need a key to leave, you just need one to come back out, okay? So if you want to go up there, I'll show you where the restaurant is.
Awesome.
Yeah. And then we do have music tonight, starting 7 to 10 and then 10 to close.
Oh, cool.
Look at the pool.
Yeah, so the pool's open. If you guys need towels or anything, let us know. We do
Heck
have
yeah.
some in the front, beach towels as well. So yeah, they will have some music kind of up here, I believe is where they typically set up. Yeah, like I said, you're welcome. Drink, eat down here. There's cornhole. There's another bar over here, and then another bathroom on that gate as well. The bar is really busy, but I just kind of want to give you a sneak peek to it so you can see. Because it's typically during the day, our happy hour is from 12 to 7, and it's like $3, $3.50, something like that.
Huh.
So it's packed pretty much most of the time.
Okay, so it's already happy hour.
Yeah, I was like, we're in happy hour very early down here.
Oh.
So I'll just give you a little peek. You can kind of see, our little bar again.
There you go.
Yeah, he was. I was like, if you're welcome to go on in if you want to. Shannon's bartending until 5. Michelle will be here until 2. Drink specials are over here. Food specials are here. You can see it does get pretty busy in here.
Yeah.
And then we'll go back out and if you want to try one of your keys on there just to make sure that they work.
Okay.
So you'll
Let
just
me
hold it
try.
firmly, up against that one.
Okay, good.
Yep, and then we'll go back
Perfect.
through this way.
We're in vacation.
My Colorado blood is not used to this.
When did you move to Texas?
A little over 2.5 years ago. I just kind of had a random opportunity, and I was like, well, why not? Yeah, so you put the music playing. If like this is casual, tell people you're welcome to sit on these. You can hang out here. So they are pretty fun. We can move stuff around. I was gonna say the main place you want to go to is Amberjack. Kind of Amberjack and Padre. Like that's the main one to go to. That's where everything is.
Okay.
Yeah, if you see the big Ferris wheel, you're there. That's every single bar is down that entire strip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then just show you, it is kind of a little bit of like a maze. We've got kind of everything. Forgive me, I just started, so I'm having to remember where the rooms are. So.
Hey, we just started too. It's all right.
How much did you pay for this?
This is not even included.
Yeah.
Look at the pool.
Oh my god.
Since we just went around.
Oh.
So this is that walkway too. If you're using the pool, you can use where he's walking. That's where the piano bar is, and there is a restroom there too. So you can use that one.
Okay.
And then just, I always tell people too, we do have cats down here. We have Bob Barker, and I can't remember the other one.
Oh, shit, I told him
Yeah,
that.
so we feed them. They have a little house. You'll see them wandering around. Yeah, so you'll see them. Yeah,
Just say
if you
one
want
of
to
them.
get their attention, just shake their little food bowl, and you'll see them. They're a little skittish, but they do warm up. They're pretty darn cute.
That one was Bob Barker.
Bob Barker, and I think Tommy something. I can't remember the other
Tommy
one.
Lee.
Something.
Tommy
I
Lee.
just met them. So, good boy. Oh, yes, so cute.
Ow, ow. We are getting the full tour. Love it.
It's awful sometimes.
We should get a photo here. Intrusive thoughts.
Intrusive thoughts. Oh. Yeah. We're kind of right by our car.
Just funky little beach room, yes.
Hey, sweet.
That's good. Nice.
And I am
Perfect.
telling people about the tar, so just be mindful of
Tar?
the tar right now.
Tar?
Yeah, so we do have these little, we do have plenty of tartar around too. These little packets here for you guys to use. We do sell some in the gift shop. Sunscreen, baby oil, and Dawn soap, get it off too. Just be on the beach because you'll see it. And then we have had a lot of jellyfish recently, so just kind of keep an eye out for that too when you're walking the beach and in the water. So and if you need more coffee, cups, anything like that, just give us a call and we'll bring it up to you, okay? And then we've got the menu right there for dinner. You can charge to the room and we can bring it up to as well. So, okay?
Oh my god.
And then you've got here for your air conditioning. 23 seems to be the sweet spot, but you can turn it down too. And then if you need any other bathroom stuff, let us know too. Okay?
Awesome. What was the website you were talking about?
Oh, go.
Yeah.
It's
Do you have a
it's
phone?
yeah, it's spimusicguide.com/schedule because that'll show you.
What's the next step?
Hmm?
You gotta show them this lovely little room.
Oh yeah.
Show them. Do that
You
tour.
do the tour. It's tiny.
There's the tour.
Okay, we have two. Yeah, we
Just a tour.
We have two beds. One,
Yeah.
two.
One,
That's done.
two,
That's it.
two peas in the pod.
There's a bathroom.
Then we have a little fridge over here that you can use, microwave. So there's no cooking in here. So that's why they have food
Yeah.
in the menu. And I've seen the pizza is like $9 for a 12-inch pizza. So it's not like
Yeah, it's not super
Not
expensive.
horrible.
It's not an expensive place, like in terms of the food. Microwave, say coffee, you can get additional.
I like
you can
it.
do the coffee
Cute.
machine. There's a
Oh,
TV.
TV.
Yeah, just a
in the
small
closet. I'm digging it.
Yeah, and that's the closet that we're gonna use. So basically, we're gonna have to put our luggages all over here.
Big fans.
And then we have another closet.
Yeah.
I'll be done.
I don't know
It's
what that
just-
is.
It's a closet, but it's dark. Anyway, then here's the bathroom. Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in. Bathroom. Okay, why am I dancing? Okay.
You always dance when you see the mirror.
Lights, towels,
Nice.
they feel good. Shower stuff, and that's the bathtub. What is it?
Life is better at the beach.
Yeah, life is
Aw.
better at the beach. Anyway, yeah. So that's about it. Then the
Cool.
toilet, just one bathroom.
Cool.
So we're gonna be cozy for tonight. How many nights are we staying here?
Just one.
Oh, so it's just
Yeah,
tonight.
it's actually booked up tomorrow. I think it's fully booked for some reason.
That's not good.
Well,
But let's
let's
get
go.
to the beach.